Oh my God.
Whoa! Where are you going?
Yeah. I'm thinking about switching to Onyx, but I haven't yet. Starting off with winter gloves, and then when we get to the trailhead, I'll probably swap out to more gloves.
Alright, I don't even remember how track control or anything works on this beast, so this should be fun.
I don't either.
I mean, I rode it 3 times, so I should know.
Yeah, why don't I'll just maybe ride this.
Okay.
Ride the 250L, because that way you won't get confused by the features and stuff.
Yeah. Oh, these mirrors are my favorite thing.
Ears. Oh, mirrors.
Mirrors, yeah.
I thought you said beers. I was thinking, Cliff, where did you get a beer?
Yeah, mine too. Alright, going left. I can't find where my turn signal's at, or I would use it.
Dude, I totally forgot how slow this thing was. Like, it is a bit torturous.
Oh, Mason did pretty good on it.
Yes, and the fact that Mason did that good on it tells me that he was absolutely reaming it.
That's scary.
Yeah, so you have to take it easy on me today, buddy. Yeah, dude, that is so much better of a setup than that Africa Twin.
Yeah, for sure.
Unless you're just putting in hundreds of miles a day, I think.
Yeah. I mean, I can probably manage with, all the miles I'm riding now.
You can manage on the pit bike with that.
It's kind of nice that I kind of like that electric Telaria sitting there. I'm like, man, I don't even have to think bad about not changing the wheel in it.
I know, man. That's
just
electric.
Let it set.
Just so easy.
Yeah.
Oh. Thought you were stopping at that first one. Now, if you can't keep up through some of the twisties and stuff, just keep going straight. I'll come back and find you.
Okay, sounds good. The slide's not quite looking for, looking for the buttons on the Lexus. Trying to find the volume.
Yeah. Yeah, but it's so much better, isn't it?
Oh, no. It's clear, too.
Is. And what's cool is it sounds exactly the same even when you have 3 people connected.
Really?
Yeah, it's really nice.
Nice.
Those Edge phones that I got, me and Mason both slapped one on and just wore them all day in the Jeeps. And it was just like being on a phone call all day on a headset. Yeah, I forgot all about this road.
Yeah. Yeah, so my ABS is off and my track control's on.
Nice.
I think it's like you have to hold it for so many seconds, but it has to be exactly so many seconds, or it won't go off. I don't know. We'll figure that out later.
You need that traction control, buddy. You need all the help you can get.
Yeah, that's true. They paved part of this. So weird.
Yeah, I didn't remember that.
It's
Is
just
this the road Chris almost hit the deer?
I don't remember that.
You don't?
No.
Oh, wow.
I know I almost trashed my AT through here a few times.
Whoa. Is this really a road?
Oh, Oh, easy.
Wow. That might be what we have in store for us today, buddy.
That's kind of what I'm thinking. I really hate these tires, too.
I have no tire on the front of this. There's like no knobs left. Whoa.
Oh. It's a little more rutted out than it used to be.
Oh.
Oh, there's a big hole here. Whoa!
Oh my gosh!
Didn't see that coming.
I don't remember doing this before. Did I do this with you?
Yeah, I think so.
Huh.
I think I've done this on the Versus. I think me and you both did this on the Versus once.
I don't know. Oh my god.
Whoa! Where are you going?
I think I'd remember if I did this on my Versus, dude.
All right, this is a little go right, I think. Maybe left.
Okay.
I'm gonna stay left.
I'm going right. Oh. There's another, the road split back to the right back there under that tree.
Really?
Yeah.
Nice.
Big gate. Have you researched any of this?
I'll ride through it.
I mean, does it show up as like a road?
I think it's just a county road.
Sick. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy.
Yeah.
Oh, buddy.
These tires just aren't working, man. I'm gonna have to let some air out.
Yeah, if you're gonna be mudding for sure.
Wow. I think it'd be this muddy.
Whoa! Kind of glad I'm on the 250L now.
Yeah. Sorry, I didn't realize it was such a hot mess out here.
I mean, whatever it is here, it's probably going to be worse on the trails.
Yeah, no kidding.
Yeah, dude, I don't think I've ever done this road. I swear I don't. I don't remember any of this.
Yeah, I brought you out here before.
Now this looks like the road that Chris almost hit that deer.
Yeah, that sounds right, yeah. I think it just used to not be as rutted out here.
Might be right. I think it was like right here.
Yeah, you're right. It jumped across and she like locked the brakes up and we all locked the brakes up.
Yep.
This makes me not want to go out to Hatfield with these tires.
Yeah, we can go out there and just like cruise and stay on the roads and just like see what it looks like.
Yeah, that'll work.
Anything bad, we won't mess with it.
Whoa.
I don't know who had the stop sign there, but I don't think it was us.